my studio. We're going to play with watercolor again. We're going to do sort of a fall theme with some pumpkins, I think, and see how that happens. So I'm going to perk up some of my paints real quick and we'll get started. Now, I just sort of loosely sketched on here sort of where I want certain things, but otherwise this is just going to basically be a free-for-all. And, you know, throw things wherever I feel like throwing them. And I first want to just start by, I know the pumpkins are going to end up more orange than yellow, but I want to sort of give them a light yellow base, just so we get some nice color blends and some nice variations. That was a little too dark. Seeing as you can always pull up a little here and throw it over there. And I don't want them all to be exactly the same anyway, so I'm not worried if there's dark spots or light spots or sort of nothing spots, because the whole point is just to get a little base color down. And the lovely thing about watercolor is this is just some leftover yellow from a previous time that's in my palette, and just wet it a little bit and suddenly I have some paint without even having to touch my paints. So you're not wasting, you're throwing it into your palette and you can pull it back out anytime you want. Now, since this is going to take a lot more time than 20 minutes, I'm going to speed this up, put on some music for you, so enjoy, and I'll see you at the end. just gonna call that done. Just something fun and quick. Hold on and I'll give you some final results once it dries. Okay, so this is all the way dry. Pretty happy with how these pumpkins came out. I like the blending of the colors. Got my little corns. And just a basic sky with a few birdies in it. Nice simple fall scene. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment. Subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you know when I upload more videos. Now this is part of Friday with Friends, so please check the description box for all the links. And I hope you all have a wonderful, wonderful weekend.